Hello everyone, I'm Daria. The knowledge point I will explain to you today is the selection and the use of motor grease. Grease is an important component of motor bearing lubrication. During use, it should be scientifically selected and used according to the motor and its working conditions. The grease is composed of three parts: basic oil, thickener, and additive composition. Therefore, there are also compatibility problems with greases like lubricants. If the grease is not compatible, it will lead to an increase in taper entry, a decrease in shear stability, and a decrease in bearing lubrication quality. In order to avoid the mixing of grease, the following points should be paid attention to. First, different types of grease should be explicitly prohibited in the lubrication management regulations. Mixing, even if it is the same type but from different manufacturers, it should be carefully mixed. Second, in order to avoid the problem of mixing grease, the type of grease should be clearly identified. The amount of filling and other information should be clearly identified while the grease for different purposes to avoid misuse. Third, when there are special circumstances that have to be mixed, the compatibility of two different greases should be tested strictly in accordance with the standard. In order to avoid similar problems, motor manufacturers should specify the specific brand numbers of grease, filling cycle, and filling amount in the motor nameplate or random technical document. The manufacturer of the motor is replacing and filling. At that time, it must be carried out according to the manufacturer's information. If necessary, all the raw oil should be discharged and the new oil should be added after cleaning. Well, that's all for sharing today's video. Thank you for watching. If there is something wrong with what I said, your suggestions are welcome.